Life couldn't be any more convenient than it is today.
You can instantly deliver yourself food, answer any question you could think of, travel across the country within hours.
But somehow, despite all of these advantages, we lose the time to do the more important things, like move better, eat better, think better, give better, and ultimately live better.
My name's Brett.
And I'm Jason.
We've lived the life we were told to.
Good grades in high school to get into a good college. Built a good resume to get a good job. And that's where we found ourselves.
We felt like we could be doing more.
Not only for ourselves, to inspire others.
To follow their dreams and find their full potential at a sustainable level.
That is our purpose.
Live Better gives you actionable and executable plans using wellness, the state of being healthy in both mind and body.
It's to combine self-care and purpose to help you pursue this best day ever mindset.
Giving yourself the tools, the advice, and the Live Better community to have unlimited success.
It is a complete lifestyle upgrade and a team of people dedicating their time and energy to helping you live better.
Take your next step today and let's start living the best
Life
ever.